How to set work profile on Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can set up a work profile on your Android device. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's begin. So first, let me tell you what a work profile is. It is a separate, secure container for all your work apps and data on a personal Android device. So this can be managed by the organization to keep work and personal information separate. So to enable it, head over to your settings. On your settings, go to Google, search for Google, and after you find Google, tap on it. On your Google, what you'll need to do is tap on set up your work profile. So what you'll need to do is tap on all services, scroll down, and after you scroll down all the way, you'll find set up your work profile. Tap on that, and now tap on next. Now all you have to do is let it download its extra packages and stuff, and after that you will need to begin the setup process. You may be asked to grant permissions for camera access, and this is for the QR code that will be provided to you by your IT administrator, and you'll need to simply scan a QR code. Then follow the on-screen instruction to sign in with your work account and complete the setup. And after you follow the prompts, log in and do everything, you will have set up your work profile on your Android. And that is it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.